Construction is an ever-changing industry as new technologies introduce new possibilities for building and designing. From robotics and drones to 3D printing and augmented reality, these technologies are not only enhancing the efficiency and quality of construction, but also enabling new forms of creativity and expression. In this video, we will highlight some of the most impressive construction technologies that have reached a new level and how they are changing the face of construction. Number 1. Plex Building Systems. One of the biggest challenges facing the building industry is the staggering amount of waste generated during the construction process. Traditional construction methods often result in tons of unused materials and offcuts that end up in landfills, contributing to environmental degradation. Plex Building Systems has stepped up to address this issue by providing a groundbreaking solution. At the core of Plex Building Systems innovation is PLA-Excrete, a composite material that is composed of more than 90% recycled waste. This innovative material not only helps to reduce the environmental impact of construction, but also offers superior performance compared to traditional building materials. The company has leveraged Plexcrete to develop modular construction blocks that are set to revolutionize the way buildings are constructed. These blocks are designed to seamlessly interlock, eliminating the need for cutting and mortar. This not only saves builders valuable time, but also significantly reduces construction costs. Number 2. Plesio Solar Panels. Plesio's Solar Paver represents a significant leap forward in sustainable construction. By seamlessly integrating solar panels into a durable paver design, Plesio has effectively bridged the gap between environmental responsibility and aesthetic appeal. What makes this product stand out is its use of plastic waste that cannot be recycled by traditional methods. By repurposing this waste, no new plastic materials are used in the manufacturing process, making it an eco-friendly choice. Whether it's on terraces, driveways, walkways, or any sunny, flat surface, PLATIO can be installed to cover a total of 80 square meters with an impressive peak output of 11.7 kilowatt. But its impact goes beyond residential homes. These solar tiles have the potential to power commercial buildings, electric car lots, and public spaces in smart cities, contributing to a renewable and sustainable power supply. Number 3. Procopy. Unlike traditional pools, Procopy pools are constructed from modules, offering a versatile and customizable solution. The use of synthetic resin crafted from recycled waste, such as yogurt cups, not only makes these pools environmentally friendly, but also showcases an innovative approach to sustainable design. With over 6,000 different components available, the possibilities are endless, allowing homeowners to create their dream pool tailored to their specific preferences. And with prices starting at around $5,800 for a 10 square meter version that includes all necessary components, including the pump, Procopy pools offer an accessible and eco-conscious choice for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor living space. Number 4. Han Plastics. Han Plastics Limited, an international company renowned for its expertise in recycling plastic, has developed a range of innovative products, including grids that are redefining the way we approach construction projects. These grids, which are significantly lighter than traditional concrete ones, weigh 9 kilograms each. Despite their lightweight nature, they have exceptional durability, making them suitable for a wide range of applications, from parking lots to warehouses. In fact, these grids are capable of supporting the weight of a fully loaded car, highlighting their remarkable strength and resilience. Another key advantage of Han Plastics grids is their efficient handling of rainwater and mud when paired with a drainage layer. This feature makes them an ideal choice for farmers and horse breeders, as they provide effective mud control and drainage solutions. Additionally, these grids are designed to withstand harsh environmental conditions, remaining unaffected by rot, rust, or cracking even in the coldest of temperatures. Also, their sustainable design ensures that they can be recycled at the end of their life cycle, aligning with the principles of environmental responsibility and circular economy. Number 5. MuxStopper. Another groundbreaking technology that is making waves in the construction industry is the MuxStopper system, developed by the UK-based company Drainfast. This innovative solution addresses the common issue of dirt and construction debris clogging sewer and drainage systems, posing a risk of sewage leaks during road repairs. The MuxStopper system, particularly the RS400 model, weighing 10 kilograms, has the capability to handle up to 100 kilograms of trash and dirt, effectively preventing blockages and ensuring smooth drainage operations. The ease of maintenance offered by the MuxTopper system is another compelling feature that sets it apart. Following installation, construction crews simply need to periodically empty the removable waste section, eliminating the need to engage drain cleaning services after renovation and construction work. This not only streamlines maintenance processes, but also minimizes the risk of costly and disruptive drainage issues, enhancing overall operational efficiency. Number 6. Edelbund. Edelbund panels are no ordinary building material. They are sandwich-type panels comprising a non-toxic polyethylene core firmly bonded between fine aluminum facing and backside sheets. This unique composition makes Edelbunder panels not only durable but also incredibly versatile in terms of design and application. One of the most striking features of Edelbunder panels is their ability to facilitate creative and innovative architectural design. These panels can be easily formed, folded, and bent into various shapes and colors, allowing architects and designers to push the boundaries of conventional building aesthetics. Also, Edelbund panels have exceptional resistance to extreme weather conditions, noise, vibration, and fire. This level of durability makes them ideal for a wide range of applications, including architectural claddings and building renovations to internal partitions, wall coverings, false ceilings, column covers, curved fascias, gas stations, and bus terminals. Number 7. HeraDesign. These panels, manufactured by the German company Canal Seating Solutions, offer a highly relevant solution to mitigate the impact of urban noise pollution. Made from wood fiber, HeraDesign panels offer exceptional sound absorption of up to 55 decibels, providing an effective barrier against noise pollution in urban environments. This makes them an invaluable addition to any building where acoustic control is a priority. Beyond their acoustic properties, HeraDesign panels offer a level of customization that sets them apart from traditional acoustic solutions. The front surface is primed and ready for painting, allowing for seamless integration into any design concept. With a maximum board length of 2.4 meters, these panels can be tailored to meet the specific needs of any project. What do you think about these construction technologies? Let's know in the comment section.